Jai Srimanarayana. 28th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dravyayajñāha tapoyajñāha yogayajñāha tadhā pare स्वाध्याय ज्ञानयज्ञाश्च यतयः संसृतव्रताः ॐ Donate part of your honestly earned money for preservation of our Sanatana Dharma. Feed the poor, visit divine places, do fasting at least once in a fortnight, that is Ekadasi, learn some of Vedic prayers. As a family, every day try to sit together and discuss at least one sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita or any of our Mahabharatam or Sri Ramayanam stories. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall donate part of my honestly earned money for preservation of Dharma. O Srimanarayana, I shall feed the poor. O Srimanarayana, I shall visit divine places. O Srimanarayana, I shall do fasting at least once in a fortnight, that is Ekadasi Upavasam. O Srimanarayana, I shall learn some of Vedic prayers. O Srimanarayana, I shall as a family sit together and discuss at least one sloka from Bhagavad Gita every day. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kartavirya-Arjuna's sons came to Jamadagni ashramam to retaliate. They found that Parasurama and all other sons of Jamadagni Maharshi went into forest. Thinking that that is the best time, they all came down and they have seen Jamadagni Maharshi, who is sitting right next to Agnihotram and meditating upon Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Jaghnuhu Te Papanishchayaha. that Jamadagni Maharshi is meditating upon Srimannarayana. These Kartavirya-Arjuna's sons decided to do any amount of cruel activity. So immediately they killed Jamadagni Maharshi, who was in Dhyanam. Then seeing that Jamadagni Maharshi's wife Yachyamanaha Krupanaya, she repeatedly begged them to protect her husband, but they did not have any kind of mercy. Without listening to Renuka's prayers, Renuka's requests, they killed Jamadagni Maharshi and took away Jamadagni Maharshi's head. Then Renuka started crying loudly, saying that Rama, Rameti, Tateti, Rama, Rama, my dear son. Like that she, while screaming, crying. At that time Parasurama and all the sons were in the forest. Yet Parasurama could hear his own mother's screaming and immediately started rushing back to the ashramam and came back and found that his father is dead. His father was killed. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 28th sloka. Dravya yajñās tapo yajñāh yoga yajñās tadhā pare svadhyāya jñāna yajñāscha yatayas samsitavrataः. Dravya yajñās tapo yajñāh yoga yajñās tadhā pare svadhyāya jñāna yajñāscha yatayas samsitavrataः. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.